I am Dr. Beata Golec, and I am the piano instructor here at SUNY Geneseo. I work in the music department where I teach piano lessons, piano classes, and music theory. So this is going to be a one-of-a-kind event, not a typical recital. It's going to be all my original compositions, and they will be set to installations with images by local photographers, including Gil and the other partners and other friends. And when I supplied the music to photographers, I did not tell them what the pieces are about. That's the key here, that the interpretation is not influenced by my compositional style or the techniques used or what I thought when I was composing these pieces. So I did not tell them any of the details. They just listened to the music and they were inspired in one way or another to create a set of images that will be played at the time when I am performing my music. And we're going to compare what I thought and what the interpretation was, which I find really, really cool.
Six other photographers that I've invited really liked it and really took some time to do it. So I was impressed with the work they did.
As a musician, I noticed over the years that I can't be just a pianist and just play alone. I have to do other things too to bring people together. And the skill of collaboration is key, especially nowadays, especially when the arts are underrepresented.
We've got music, we've got pictures. So you've got two different ways of showing emotion in artwork, and combining the two creates a different experience than just listening to a pianist or just going to a gallery and looking at images.
We are combining, marrying the two into one, and I think that makes it unique and more interesting than a just typical recital. Art is a universal language that connects people around the world. It's universal, period. So the need to express or to connect with another person is always there, and every human being has that need. So people might connect in one or another way. I'm a musician, so I connect through music.